Today we're going to talk about whether men have a pelvic floor or not. Sometimes men come into my office with pelvic floor dysfunction, and I start talking to them about the pelvic floor, and they look at me in shock and in amazement, and they say, "Do men have a pelvic floor?" And the answer is yes, they absolutely do have a pelvic floor, and the truth is, it's almost identical to the female pelvic floor. Hey everybody, this is Susan Winograd with Pelvic Core Plus, and I am so excited to share information with you on all things related to pelvic health and wellness. So, back to the male pelvic floor. The truth is, males have a pelvic floor that is almost identical to the female, with the exception of the external genitalia, of course, and the pelvic organs. You can see this is the male and this is the female, that the muscles that control bowel, bladder, and sexual function are almost identical. The only variations are, again, the external genitalia and the pelvic organs. So that means that men can develop pelvic floor dysfunction just like women. And I am here to let you know that pain with intercourse or with ejaculation or erectile dysfunction or pain before, during, and after or before intercourse is not normal. It's common but not normal and can very well be treated by a pelvic floor therapist. Any kind of leaking may mean that you guys out there, men, have a pelvic floor dysfunction. Any kind of bowel dysfunction, so constipation, fecal incontinence, difficulty holding back gas, fecal urgency or frequency may mean that you have a pelvic floor dysfunction. Don't go, thinking that if you have bowel, bladder, or sexual dysfunction, that it's automatically your prostate. It may very well be your pelvic floor muscles that are driving your symptoms. So find a pelvic floor physical therapist. We can help you. Pelvic floor dysfunction should be treated by a pelvic floor physical therapist as its first line of conservative treatment. So don't wait any longer. There's great treatment out there. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other amazing videos. Thank you so much for joining me today, where we believe pelvic healing requires a total body approach.